Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on prompts 31 and 32. And 31 is child. So I've got this little girl with the bunny rabbit. And our prompt for 32 is silk. And I've got this pretty sari silk ribbon. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. It's been a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. here are my finished guest checks. I've got my child and I've got my ribbon. I love how they turned out. I added a little bit of lace just to make it pop and sewed around the edges. Although my sewing machine gave me a few fits on this one, I think I messed up and didn't wait for the glue to dry. And I also got pockets if I want them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure to check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. So until next time, bye y'all.